how does EMDR actually work? In this video, we will explain in simple terms what happens to the human brain when we experience trauma or stress, and also exactly how EMDR eye movement therapy can help the brain heal through a scientific discovery known as bilateral stimulation. First, let's explain what happens during episodes of trauma or stress. Whenever humans perceive danger, we automatically go into a fight, flight, or freeze mode. All our attention is drawn towards what is needed to ensure our immediate survival, while non-essential brain functions are temporarily shut down. During fight or flight mode, the part of our brain known as the reptilian brain, which controls the body's essential functions, goes into overdrive. Meanwhile, the part of our brain known as the neocortex, or rational brain, which controls reasoning and intuition, locks itself up. Because the rational brain stops working, normal processing of our memories is interrupted. Instead, the traumatic memory gets stuck in the reptilian brain. It stays trapped there, along with any distorted thoughts or beliefs that were created at the time. Our brains incompletely store these memories in unhelpful ways that later can be triggered in your daily life. This is why whenever we get a flashback, we also re-experience in full force all the original emotions. Fortunately, the brain has an amazing ability to change and heal itself, known as neuroplasticity. Similar to how our body can heal after an injury, the brain can also rewire to heal itself. We just have to show it how. This is where EMDR comes in. In simple terms, EMDR replicates the brain's natural memory processing function, which was interrupted during the trauma. Normally, memory processing takes place while we sleep, during a stage known as rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. The key element of REM sleep is bilateral, or two-way stimulation. In EMDR, we replicate this bilateral stimulation through moving the eyes from side to side repeatedly, or through listening to audio tones which move from ear to ear, or tapping each side of the body. Why is bilateral stimulation important? This actually has to do with the two sides of our brain, the left brain, which is our logical brain, and the right brain, which is our creative brain. Bilateral stimulation helps to engage both sides of the brain at the same time, which triggers the brain's natural ability to heal itself. Scientists have found that bilateral stimulation generates powerful effects, which support the healing process.